Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to continue with our topic Austriacisms. In this video, we focus on special verbs that are mainly used in Austrian German. After having watched this video, you are familiar with verbs like tratschen, zwicken oder hudeln. If you know a strange Austrian verb, please let me know in the comments below. Please stay tuned. The learning goal of this tutorial is to understand the term Austriacisms and to get to know important verbs in this context. For repetition, we can say that Austriacisms are words and expressions that are mainly used in Austrian German. Although there is no exact border, these terms are not typically used in Germany. Therefore, it makes them a key part of Austrian identity and culture. Let's start with the first verb on our list, namely tratschen. Tratschen. Any idea what tratschen could mean? Tratschen means to gossip in English. In magazines, you come across the phrase klatsch und tratsch, which just means gossip. The second word is hakeln. Hakeln is a word for arbeiten, which means to work. For example, Hakler is a term for a blue-collar worker. The next word on our list is granteln. Granteln. Any wild guess what granteln could mean? Granteln is another word for to grumble. Grantel or grantig sein is relatively common. Maybe I make a video about the topic how to grumble like an Austrian. Fourth, we go on with the typical word angreifen. Angreifen. In Germany, angreifen means to attack. This is also one meaning in Austria. However, in Austria, angreifen is mainly used for the English word to touch. Angreifen. The fifth word on our list is the verb auszucken. Auszucken. Any idea what auszucken means? It doesn't have anything to do with sugar, which is Zucker in German. The English meaning of auszucken is to go mad. The next term we take a look at is anpatzen or anputzen. I must admit it happens quite often in my case. Anpatzen is another word for to spill. The seventh word on our list is zwicken. Zwicken. Any wild guess? Zwicken means to pinch in English. There is a famous Austropop song by Wolfgang Ambros, Zwickt's me, ich glaub ich dram, which can be translated as pinch me, I think I'm dreaming. Number 8 is the term hudeln. Hudeln is another word for to rush or to hurry. The ninth word on our list is sekieren. Sekieren. Any idea what sekieren could mean? Sekieren means to annoy. Sekir me nicht could be translated as don't annoy me. Number 10 on our list of Austriacisms is the verb chicken. Do you know what chicken is? It's a false friend. It doesn't have anything to do with chicken in English. Chicken is rather used in dialects and rather informally. It just means to smoke. For example, the slang word for cigarette in Austrian German is Chick. All in all, I hope I could give you a little insight into the topic of Austriacisms with the examples of some verbs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content about Austrian German. By the way, you can find out more about Austrian German on my various playlists. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.